Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get refund from Nike. First, start a return online. Go to Nike.com or the Nike app, sign in, go to orders, select the item, and click start return. Prepare your package. Put the item back in the original packaging. Attach the return label. Nike usually provides this for free. Ship it back. Drop it off at the courier listed on your return label. Or schedule a pickup if available. Wait for confirmation. Nike will email you once they receive the item. Refund is processed in 1 to 3 business days, but your bank or payment provider might take extra days to reflect it as you quoted. If you bought from a Nike store, you usually have to return it in store to get a refund. And that's it. That's how to get refund from Nike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.